It calls itself butter, but it's margarine in a trendy tub, cloaked in a halo of health. Ja, the kind of butter that would cry if it saw a cow. Welcome to the Vegan Repair Kit. I'm Jonathan, Carnivore Muscle. And yes, another Jonathan joins us from the icy north. We're everywhere now. It's not a coincidence. In the old world, it was margarine. Now it's vegan butter. But the ingredients haven't changed. Only the marketing has. Seed oils, chemically altered to hold their shape on a supermarket shelf, but fall apart inside your body. Omega-6 polyunsaturated fats oxidize quickly. And that damage doesn't stay on your plate. It enters your cells. Real butter is simple. One ingredient, cream. That's it. Return to ancestral fats. Butter, ghee, tallow. Fats that built civilizations, not marketing campaigns. I'm English Jonathan. I live slowly, not by choice, but because my body demands it. I carry pain, a cane, and a mission. Not for sympathy, for change. Next week, the vegan multivitamin that gaslit your deficiencies. You'll laugh, but you might cry a little too.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.